Hey parched pals. Flaky, itchy, begging for moisture? Let's ditch the Sahara vibes and transform your skin into a dewy oasis with the top 3 hydrating heroes for dry skin. The Body Shop Body Butter, a classic for a reason. This rich, creamy butter, available in various delicious scents, melts into your skin, restoring moisture and locking it in. Say hello to soft, touchable skin, head to toe. Paula's Choice Resist Skin Restoring Moisturizer. For the science-loving skin warriors, this lightweight gel cream packs a hydrating punch. Hyaluronic acid and ceramides attract and retain moisture, leaving your skin feeling plump and bouncy. Before we see the last one, don't forget to share and like this video. The Body Shop Moisture Cream, another original hero. This simple but effective cream provides long-lasting hydration without feeling heavy or greasy. Perfect for everyday use, it keeps your skin comfortable and nourished all day long. So, ditch the dehydration drama, my friends. Embrace the power of these hydrators and unlock your skin's ultimate glow. Hit those links in the description and tell me which hero you're adding to your moisture arsenal. Subscribe now for more beauty tips.